In this video, we will explore top design styles for introducing software features.
Team needs a tech hiring strategy that is based on evidence, not assumption. That scales across time zones and outside the office. This is where Credility comes in. Our tech hiring platform helps your team predict the real-life engineering skills of your candidates at scale. From the first touch you have with a potential candidate.
Securing your data can be difficult. You need to manage a lot of hardware and software, follow complex compliance regulations, and make sure data stays protected in any environment where the threat landscape is constantly changing. These are complex tasks, which is why Thales has developed an easier way to manage data protection.
Processes and data spread across the shop floor. It can be challenging to get a clear view of your operations and make informed decisions. But what if you could harness all that data, analyze in real time, and use it to optimize your operations? This is where Ops Center Intelligence Cloud comes in. Ops Center
being left behind. For developers, this means rapid deployment and continuous delivery. But outdated tools, legacy applications, cloud lock-in, and multiple test and production environments can sometimes make this tricky. Datacom's Containers service allows developers to quickly deploy and manage their key bits.
Your building compliance, condition assessment workload, inspections, and data. Are you concerned that your compliance process is leaving you exposed to serious risk? Created with you in mind, Track Record Facilities has been successfully transforming building compliance management for almost 2 decades for teams.
Other tools can be tricky and a little time-consuming. And let's face it, copy and pasting URLs isn't a natural step in anyone's workflow. But sharing insights just got a lot easier. Introducing Highlights. With Highlights, you can extract,
tweets and memes, trying to get noticed above all that noise. You live in your office, collecting and analyzing way too much data from different sources on different platforms, racing against time to connect the dots and see the bigger picture, trying to please your boss and make it out alive before the deadline drops.
Loyal customer, not getting the latest and greatest service. And these ever so hard-working advisors, eager to help but held back by old legacy technology. Pretty soon this hot mess of frustration, dissatisfaction and inefficiency finds its way onto the balance sheet. But it doesn't have to be this way.
This time it's your car. Here's what you need to consider. First, book a position at the nearest gas station. Second, think about all the additional functionalities you might need while recharging your vehicle. As a user of the loyalty program, you can save money by using your collected points or
stay in control of your backlog and integrate ProdPad with your development tool of choice. Whether you're using Jira, Trello, Azure DevOps, or similar. ProdPad's two-way syncing means the delivery team can focus on what's important, while your product team has a space for discovery and planning. With ProdPad as your business stakeholders' window.
A surge in cyber threats in your enterprise. In the age of hybrid workforce, when it comes to securing and managing endpoints, the sysadmin scope not only covers office spaces, but also extends to work from home and roaming users. As issues keep mounting, so does the pressure on the IT team. Overloading
to browse digital storefronts and when to engage. For B2B technology vendors, the challenge is accurately matching those anonymous visitors to accounts, so their customers can deliver personalized experiences that engage visitors before they move on, because once they're gone, they may never return. But what if you could help your customer?
Information, but simply capturing it is not enough when accurate information is required to inform intelligent business decisions. The key part of intelligent document processing, OpenText Intelligent Capture, is the omni-channel information capture solution that quickly transforms paper and digital content into actionable data.
Or takes too much time. However, poor patch management is responsible for 57% of data breaches, leading to severely compromised networks, causing downtime, and costing data and revenue. Ignoring patches is no longer an option. Avast Patch Management automates the patching process, protecting your systems, networks.
Many firms. It's a differentiator and a source of competitive advantage. But with opportunity comes new challenges, such as utilizing next-generation technology, liquidity, and resource management.
speed to market and reducing operational risk. Challenges that
changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you open to missed opportunities.
And they want it. So why bother with mass-targeted campaigns that are hit or miss at best if most of them find it irrelevant? Isn't there a better way to approach this? We have just the thing, the Capillary Campaign Manager. Say your women's apparel brand just launched a new winter collection. As a marketing manager,
Crowned when loyalty is earned, and how you communicate makes all the difference. Bandwidth is a communications cloud that simplifies how you deliver integrated global experiences. It's flexible and robust, ready to connect across your entire communications stack.
Constantly overwhelmed by surplus customer data in your cloud contact center? The struggle is real. We know that it's a love-hate relationship that all customer support managers deal with. There are nuggets of valuable information hiding under lengthy call recordings. So the question really is,
we run ads, create content, host events, and send out millions of emails, all in the hopes of convincing someone to fill out our form. The result is an MQL, which we hand off to sales.
Boy, the MQLs at this place are really...
Organizations aren't alone in the race to define and defend their entire attack surface, as unknown or unprioritized IT can be a gateway to the rest of the network. If the best defense is a good offense, you're going to need a longer bench. BugCrowd's attack surface management matches the scale and effort of attackers with the
scenario. Several army troops surround a castle they hope to conquer. Each troop has one general designated as the lead. The troops are dispersed, so a central command is difficult. To coordinate, the generals must relay a message instructing when to act, but only a simultaneous attack ensures victory. The problem is that the
in finance. This growth is a once-in-a-generation commercial opportunity for the industry. State Street's new research explores what ESG means in practice, how it's evolving, and what lies ahead. ESG started with investors in public markets, but has
a one-time sale and lifelong customer. But with the power to anticipate your customers' expectations, you can deliver a brilliant, unmatched experience. Teams across your organization might be collecting the right data to understand your customer experience,